the best breakfast in the whole entire world. Avocado sandwiches. Let's get started. Put on your aprons and let's go. For this recipe, you need black pepper, salt, bread, 2 eggs, 1 avocado, mayonnaise, and basil pasta. If you want to make 6 toasts, you need 3 eggs. It just counts on how many you need. Let's whip the egg. First, we need to crack the eggs. This is kind of hard. There you go.
Mix it inside.
First egg. Here, now you get the egg like this. And crack it. Now let's whip the egg. Okay, now me.
Well, which 2 eggs?
Now let's add the salt and pepper. You want to do salt? Smells spicy. Let's mix the eggs once more. Good job, Nami. Now we have to soak the bread into the egg.
Yes, and the egg.
Okay, you do it like this. You put it into the egg, and like this. So transfer the bread onto the plate.
It's my expensive shape.
Ay, yummy. Yummy of the mayonnaise. I she likes it. Heat the pan. Add the oil. Now we're gonna fry the bread. Now let's wait for it. It's gonna take a bit of time. It's starting to sizzle. Check the bread. Yes, that's good. We're gonna take the spatula. Put over. Whoops. The bread's kind of stuck. Well, there you go. We're gonna wait for it again. Huh? There's the other one. There you go. So yummy. It looks delicious. delicious.
sauce.
Can't wait to try them.
This is very yum.
Not me, actually good. Very good.
Very good
Taste.
taste.
Delicious.
Delicious. That's super say on the body.
Okay, now let's put it onto the plate. There you go, nice and crunchy. Just as I like it.
Okay.
Oh, done. Now, it's time for the taste testing, which is my favorite part always. Testing out all the food.
Baby.
No, could do mayonnaise or basil pasta. Mayonnaise, okay.
This baby.
Put mayonnaise. It looks already so yummy
Okay.
that I want to eat it now.
Okay.
Here. Okay, now we're gonna add basil pesto. And now avocados.
I want shape and the paste.
Ah. Okay. There you go.
What?
Here now we're gonna add
Yes.
some seeds on top. Oops. Okay.
That's right. Sauce.
Now I'm gonna. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some basil pasta. There you go. Some more. Looks like a tiny cave in the avocado.
Yes.
Oh, avocados. Oh, I love avocados. Now for the seeds again. Hope I don't add too much this time. There you go. Okay. Okay, let's each get a try.
And pasta and the salad. Let's actually let's avocado.
This is just so crunchy, so sweet. It just has like the perfect timing and amount of everything. It's just so good. And I've never had something this yummy before. Even Naomi likes it. Yay, we did it! Thank you for watching. See you next time.